What we're really doing here is just trying to work a wet fly just under the surface, just to see if there are any fish that are feeding close to the surface. And we're just doing that as we're walking down to the next riffle, just in case anybody's cruising in through here. And we're just tossing a traditional wet fly out, letting it swing across the stream, letting it swing back. It doesn't necessarily mean there's anybody here, but you just don't want to miss an opportunity. Yeah, absolutely. They are hungry.
Oh, and he's a little jumper. Look at that. Isn't that something?
They usually get it on the swing through.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
And just under the surface, what kind of take was it? Did they slam it? Or?
Slam it.
Oh, they slam it.
The little guys in here, I don't know if it's because they have to compete with the big boys.
Yeah.
They're very eager for food, and they very rarely take it gently.
Now, small streams, people have to understand, is small fish most of the times. Although there is a chance here to get a really big fish. In years past, we have got them in 20 inches.
Well, I'll tell
but
you,
this is a
Bill,
typical.
Sometimes you think you got about a 20-incher on.
Yeah.
And you get one of these little guys.
All right.
They're pretty lively. Nice
Okay.
little rainbow. Can you just...
And let's just see if I can. Now, the regs here are single barbless hooks. And so this should just go nicely.
There we go.
Very good. Oh, that was great. I like it.